Shiny Shopping Saga, so I'm in Hobby Lobby, and of course, you know, I came so I can check out what they have in for Valentine. Look how pretty they have that set up there at the top. But right here they have some tablecloths and stuff. I'm not gonna go through all of that. They have these cute baskets here, cute little jars. Okay, so they have the table decor. It says Happy Valentine's for $4.99. I see the 2020 Valentine pick. There's some cute little bowls here. These are $1.99. It's 4 in its pack. They have the cute little tin cans. These are $3.99. They have these, the 3 colors. These are $3.99. Oh, this is cute. They have these cute little buckets. I see that print, and then these are $2.99. The different prints back there. And they have the cute little mailboxes. Everybody loves the cute little mailboxes. I like that theme too. Oh, this is pretty. It says love. It's styrofoam. It's $1.99. They have the cute little heart-shaped bowl. It's $2.99 for that. Some tumblers. These are $7.99. Some buckets with the hearts on the outside of it. Have the matching cups. These are $2.99. What are these? Oh, look like some little heart ornaments. Yeah. These are $4.99. These jars. It says Country Cottage Paris, the mason jars. They are $4.99. Cute little love picture holder. More cute little love. This one is $4.99. The cute little placemat is $2.99. Some more heart-shaped plates. Are these individual? Yeah, $1.99. For the smaller one, this one is a little bit darker, but this one is $2.99. The cute plates, they say love. And these are $7.99. They have these cute table runners. They have this one. These are $9.99. This one, this is $5.99 with the lace. Oh, these mugs are cute. It has the hearts on the inside of it. It says you plus me. It's $7.99 for that. These cute little jars. These are $9.99. I see red, white, and pink. And they have these bowls. Red on the inside with the white on the outside. These are $6.99. And then they have it like this. What are these? Like some little mini, maybe it could be like cupcake holders and stuff. These are $2.99. I see pink, white, and red. What are these? These are like weights. So these are $4.99. Oh no, magnets. And they have these. The rolling pin is $9.99. These are $9.99. Drawstring bags are $9.99. I mean $3.99 for 2. This love sign is $17. I have the cute garden art. Oh, this is really pretty. It says love. See if you guys can see it. Yeah. It says love on the outside. $9.99 for that. This says Happy Valentine's Day, $4.99. They have this one. You are so loved. Bless your heart. The garland banner is $9.99. They have this one and the gray. This one is $9.99 for this pom-pom garland. It says love. Follow your heart. Kisses, 25 cents. And these are $3.99. Oh, this is cute. $6.99 for that one. This one is $7.99. This one is smaller. It is $2.99, and then they also have it in the white. This one says welcome. It's $9.99. I like this. I love us. It's $2.99. I have this one here, $2.99. Love you to the moon and back, $3.99. Hot chocolate is like a hug in a mug, $4.99. Love brews here. I really like this one, probably because it's pink. But it says kiss. This is $2.99. And then right here they also have it in love. And they have it in red and black. It's cute little cats. Oh, old-fashioned, like Valentine ornaments. These are $2.99. Love you to the moon and back. And then this one, love you more. Oh, this is cute. So they have it in the white and black, and then the white, red, and black, and then white, pink, and gray. You also have it in that one. It says I love you. XO. That's pretty. XO. This one is $2.99. Oh my heart for $3.99. XO, the pink and the gold. Happy Valentine's Day. These are pretty. Made with love, $3.99. Made with love. They have it in the red and the pink, the gray and pink, $2.99. And red like this, black with the red on the side. And red, sorry, I can't seem to get my throat clear. Red with these on the side. Maybe I've been talking too much today. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Happy Valentine's Day. That one is $15.99. Be mine. I love my friends. Love. And right here, these are $17.99. These are $15.99. Some cute little blocks. Love. So $1.99. Love you more. And love you. Oh, the cute little ornaments. These are pretty. And the roses, $3.99. So they have the red, pink, and white. This one is $4.99. It says love in like the gold foil. And then love in the glitter. Happy Valentine's Day. The red truck. $7.99. You are so loved. $4.99. A true love story never ends. These three down here is $7.99. The picture holders, I'll never stop loving you. The old-fashioned, be my Valentine. Be always and forever. Together is my favorite place to be. This is $7.99. Oh, these light up. Let's see if they have a button on it. No. These are $19.99. Oh, it's battery operated. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Love lives here. $4.99. Home is where the heart is. Let all that you do be done with love. $6.99, and they have the cute pillows. It says love. Oh, the cute little bike. This is $7.99. It's like a metal, and they also have the red truck and the RV camper. I love you to the moon and back. All you need is love and hot cocoa. Love you a latte. And these are $13.99. Let's see what they have. Okay, so they pretty much just have it displayed really pretty, so you don't have to put yourself through all the work. Over here, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's pretty. We didn't see these llamas, or did I pass them up? These are $7.99. The little hearts, $1.99. They have these cute cups over here. I like this one, black with the lips, black and gold Saints. Even though we're not in the playoffs no more, it's okay. $6.99. BU, black and gold again, $8.99. Coffee is my one language, $8.99. Hello Sugar. Some cute little signs. You are loved. Love you to the moon and back. You are my sunshine. Love you. What? Love you, a bushel and a peck, a hug around the neck. Okay. Collect moments. Oh, happy day. Choose happy. So cute. Some more mugs. I like this one with the eyelashes and the lips. Some llama cups. And let's take a look at the flamingos they have over here. Pink is my signature color. $7.99. Enjoy the little things. It's all in the attitude. You are lovely. The bees. I like the bee concept. Spring is 40% off of the spring already. The cute bee. The platter plate. That's $21.99. This picture is $14.99. Welcome bees and butterflies. $11.99. This is cute. $7.99 for this cute flamingo bag. $7.99 for that. They have some of their spring signs out, but not all of them. Welcome to our comfortable, happy, sometimes loud, usually messy, full of fun patio. Hello Sunshine with the raindrops and the multicolor. They have more of the beach decor in this store. I guess that's gonna be the theme for the summer. This is cute, mermaid at heart. This is $9.99. This cute hanging mermaid. She's really pretty. And this one is $3.99. The ornament. This cute picture. Oh, these are really pretty. They're sitting.
That's
see.
So cute.
Yeah. I don't know, like a fig. No, it's not candy. It's a decoration. $17.99. Oh, you were talking about this. Oh, this is a camera.
Camera.
Yeah. And they have this cute mermaid sign here. It's really pretty. This is $21.99. Oh, they have it here again in white. And the mermaid, she's soaring across. It's really cute. And they have her here. $39.99. Okay. She's here counting down the months. This cute little one here. It's holding the marbles. Have mermaids have more fun. $4.99. She's pretty. Her too. $14.99. They have some hooks, some shell hooks. Mermaids don't lose sleep over opinions of shrimp. $9.99. I know that's right. Sea Hag, a mermaid before she has her coffee. Let's be mermaids. Mermaid blessing, mermaid crossing. $24.99. Mermazing. They have some more of the sandy beachy stuff over here. I like this one too. It says beach. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's caught my eye. All this cuteness over here. Look at the macarons. I see pink and purple and white and the cute eyelash trinket tray. $7.99. More lashes, more trinket trays. These are probably what, definitely $1 at Dollar Tree. These are $9.99 here. Faith. And more beach stuff over here. Well, this is really cute. I like this too. Walk by Faith and Love. They have rose petals. But I'm just rambling in here now because I just came to look at the Valentines and a bunch of things caught my eye. I wanted you guys to see it. Hot Mess Express. $8.99. And then this is, oh, this is a llama cup. This is cute. I like this. $11.99. But like I said, yeah, I was just rambling in here. And I was just showing you guys as I walked along. But I hope you guys enjoy. And I hope you guys are subscribed. And don't forget to hit the bell. I actually had a shirt on like this yesterday from Five Below that said this. But make sure you guys hit the bell so you never miss when I have a new upload. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.